Hey there, I'm Anthony. Welcome to Recipe Basics. One of our most popular recipes when we were in the cafe was our milkshakes and our iced coffees. Now the secret to those two drinks is always fantastic ice cream. We've got a really easy method with one little trick that we need to cover off in this video. Jump in. To start with, gather all your ingredients. You'll need 600 ml of whipping cream, 300 grams of icing sugar, and 3 tablespoons of vanilla essence. That's it. Whack all of that in a bowl and get mixing. This is going to take a few minutes, but keep a close eye on the bowl. The trick really is knowing when to stop. We don't want whipped cream and we certainly don't want butter. The cream will go through a few stages. You'll get bubbles first, then it'll start to develop wrinkles on the surface that slowly disappear back into the mixture. Stop mixing when you can lift up the beaters and leave streaks in the mix. If you overdo it, the ice cream is almost impossible to scoop. Pour the whole lot into a freezer safe container and freeze for at least 8 hours. We like to do it overnight. Once the ice cream's frozen, it scoops really nicely and it's got a great velvety texture. We've got a heap of delicious mulberries at the moment, so we've served the ice cream in the video with them. Some of our favourite variations are of course chocolate and strawberry ice cream. I've included those variations in the recipe link in the description box below. Head over to our website to check those out. Thanks again for watching. Look out for more Recipe Basics videos soon. Be sure to give this video a like, hit the subscription button and the notification bell, and head on down to the recipe links in the description box below.